Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare a very rich and tasty curry, Kaaju Masala. So get ready and let's start cooking. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, 200 grams of cashews. Now we will saute it on medium flame till it turns light brown in color. Once done, keep it aside. In a separate vessel, heat around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot enough, now we will add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and 1 big onion chopped nicely. Now saute it till onion's color starts to change slightly. Our onions are slightly cooked and its color started to change. Now we will add around 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Now saute it for another minute. Now add around 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Saute it for 2 minutes till tomatoes are cooked nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Give it a good mix. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now switch off the flame and we will grind this into a paste. We have grinded our mix. Now add 1/4 of the cashews we fried earlier into this paste and grind again. Heat around 1 tablespoon oil in a kadhai. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Now we will add our paste which we prepared earlier into it. Now cook it on low flame for 2 minutes and keep stirring it continuously. It's been 2 minutes and oil has started seeping out. Now we will add around 1.5 cups of water. Mix it nicely. Now add 1.25 tablespoons of salt. Stir it nicely. Now add half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Stir it well. Once it starts boiling, add the rest of the fried cashews into it. Now cook it for 1 more minute. and keep on stirring it. Lower the flame in between. After a minute, add few coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of cream. Finally, stir it well. Switch off the flame and close the lid. Serve it hot and make your next meal special with this rich curry. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.